हुआ। डीजे डीके का यही
Fresh daily and I'm brewing by the hour. Went from walking thin ice to swimming in hot water. I live a crazy life of poisonous wildflowers, shooting fireworks off rooftop parties at Bowser's. I'm unacceptable, calling your boys out to the Gotham bank to cash a few checks they wrote with the miles. I don't walk the walk, I float the ground. Consult the blog for how I'm supposed to sound. You're better off hanging with the Belmonts or getting the hell out of town. I'm not responsible for my actions after sundown. It's the ceiling walking, time traveler, decision damager, the queen law breaking black Lannister. It's cold inside regardless for outliers, where every cop deep down aspires to be William Stryker. The straits are dire, so I walk the midnight, checking for the city's pulse beneath the dying light. It's not the full moons, it's not the creatures, it's not the shrieks breaking loose every time you turn the street that stole my sleep and civility. Baby, it's elementary. I lost it the moment I tried to change what it was meant to be. Fighting crime, turned to fighting all the time, turned to fighting the law. I used to fight alongside. Whatever you do, believe the hype. It's gotta go wrong before it goes right.
Hello, it's me. I stole your keys to the cage. I'm out, I'm running free. I won't take it quick when we see you out. I think it's time you call your dad. Tonight is where it ends. To the other side, someone will rest.
I wish she could disappear. Hermione Granger, the woman I paid most